Hey guys, I'm back at with y'all today, and what I gotta do today is I gotta go catch some sunfish, really small sunfish from my pond. So I'm gonna wade down a creek. It's a pretty good trek, so I'm gonna take y'all on this trek so y'all can enjoy it as well. Maybe we'll see some snakes, some turtles, who knows what other fish we'll catch. I know there's a lot of gar, there's even bowfin. I've caught tons of bowfin before, but I've never caught bowfin in this spot, and I rarely see them, but I have been seeing them, so hopefully we can get on one of those. Stay tuned and let's find out! Alright guys, we have reached the beginning of the spot. There's usually a lot of small fish stacked up on this little spillway right here. We're gonna see if we can pull some off. Hopefully maybe a bait fish or two. Maybe we can get on a bowfin. I'm gonna try to creep up on them because this water instantly turns super clear over here at this discharge. And they definitely know I'm here, but I gotta blend in so they don't. I like to stick to the shallow water and make my steps really slow. It keeps from waking, letting them know that I'm on my way to them. So let's just see what we can pull out of here. I'm getting up to my favorite spot that I like to hit this from. Go ahead and set the bucket down. Hopefully it won't float away. I think it's gonna. Got my rod there too. Get a little closer. Oh, I missed one. Ooh. Had a leaf on there. I think I still might have a piece of it. Oh. Got him, guys. Oh, that's a nice size sunfish. Caught him on a little sow bug. Oh, I think that's gonna be all the bait we need, guys. I don't know if I want to use him though. I think we'll throw him back with something smaller. Get back in there, see if I can get another smaller size, preferably. Takes a minute for this sow bug to sink down. As we are hooked up, but it's not, I mean, it's a gar, but it's, I don't think he's hooked in the right spot. He's a little guy too. Oh, he's running still. Pulling hard. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, he came off. That was cool. There's another gar right there. Well, that was fun. Guys, I believe our cut bait may have just got ate. Don't know yet. Line's going upstream, so usually it's a good indication of a fish. It's not moving very fast. I think he still got it. Oh, yeah, he's moved a lot. He's over there just chewing on it. Oh, he knows. I think he might know something's up. Alright, we're going to try to get my hook set. Oh, he's hooked, guys. Dude, he ran. Perfect hook set. That almost never works for me. Oh yeah, that was nice. Little guy, but Hanny's fighting. He still got all of his buddies sitting over there. What's that? You gonna give me my hook and stuff back, man? Whoa, that was so cool. Little acrobatic guy. Are you done? No? I really like for you to be done before I tried to mess with you. He's not done, guys. Well, let him play around for a second. It's fun to watch anyways. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Alright, let's land him. I think he's good and tired now. He said no. Now, this hook might be gone. Got to find out. Oh man, sorry guy. Just come on. Open. Yeah, he got my finger good. Ah! You won't let go of my fingers, guys. Bastard. Ow! He got me good. Oh, yeah. Well, you can have that hook. He got me good, guys. He split me open. Regardless, beautiful fish. Later. Take it. Got him. Come on, jump for me. Do something. Oh, yeah. Well, I just got my finger split open by that last gar. Guess what? I got another gar, guys. About the same size. There was a real big long nose in this corner, but he evaded me. This guy drilled it. Whoa! And just like that, my favorite way to get them gone is a quick release. Well, I decided to throw a little rooster tail around, and well, that's the results. Typical. Look at that tournament winner right there. You bass fishermen ain't got nothing on that. He nailed that thing right at the bank too, like right there. Hard to cast this. Oh, we got bit. Hard to cast this little rooster. Oh, that was a good fish. That was a good bass. They're just all over it, guys. I'm gonna do something a little different here. Bear with me. All right, guys. I just watched a bass blow up on that water snake. I'm not kidding. There's a bass in here that big. Big, pretty water snake. Well, I got something tied on a little better. That's more suited for these bass, a little hellgrammite. Maybe able to pitch it a little bit easier in there too. Got him. I knew it. Little hellgrammite's gonna get it done. Keep swiping at that rooster tail and it's missing it. Choked it. I'm back and do that again. Oh, might have been a gar, guys. Was something interesting. Oh, I missed him. Oh, he hit it good. There's a snake. It's in there eating a fish or something. Yeah, he's eating a fish. That snake just caught a tiny channel catfish out of here. I've never seen a channel in here. Look at that, guys. He is eating a channel cat. It's a beautiful snake. I'll let you eat your cat, man. Alright guys, I think that is going to be the end of today. I am beat. There's so many rocks in my shoes. Fish were caught. My finger hurt. It's still pretty shredded, kind of bleeding a little bit. We're making the treacherous walk back to the truck. So thanks for staying tuned. You guys are awesome. And most importantly, take it easy.